Oh, what's up everybody? It's kind of chilly out. This is gonna be my first test of 2 cameras. I hope this works out. I'm gonna have to be like my old school moto vlog days when I first started, where I had to sync the audio. Back then though, it was starting the microphone on my phone and then starting the camera and syncing them. But now I'm just syncing 2 cameras. I'm doing it the same way though, with a sync clap is what I call it. It seems like the most obvious way to do it. It's just how I do it. But I'll clap my hands near the microphone and the view of the other camera. And then when I hear and see that clap, I can sync the audio so I know that both cameras are on the same sync, if you will. Let that sink in. Alright, go. Go, Ultima, go. Use that big Ultimate energy and get us out of here. Oh, there's something in my eye. Oh, that's highly unfortunate. Oh, no. Oh, I can't do anything about it. I'm just gonna blink repeatedly. Alright, I think I got it. Ugh. If you guys like this view though, let me know. I'll be sure to keep it around for a little bit. I may or may not make this a full moto vlog, I don't know yet. It'll be on my YouTube as a full video if so. Yeah, you know what, screw it, I'm gonna do it. This is gonna be a full-length video on my YouTube channel. But I'm also gonna throw this on like TikTok and Facebook and whatever else that lets me do videos over a minute long as a short or whatever. Nice Porsche, I like that. But yeah, I just want to test this view, see how you guys like it, because I know with just one camera and doing the vertical content. Ah, cows! Sorry, anyway. Just doing the vertical content, I'm distracted by these cows, bro. Okay, sorry. Using just one camera on this vertical content, I know like half the screen is blacked out. So I figured with 2 cameras, I can probably max out the screen. And you get to see my beautiful face. Ha ha ha. Just kidding, it's a helmet. I have done face reveals before, I'm just not going to tell you where to find them. Yeah, what's up with the content platforms like not all being on the same page? TikTok keeps sending me messages and it's like, upload videos longer than a minute, get rewarded. I'm like, I don't think you're gonna give me anything, but I mean, I'll do it. But then YouTube's like, no, you're not allowed to upload anything over a minute. If you do, we're just gonna cut it off at the minute mark. This whole content thing, modern content anyway, is really weird because like YouTube was designed for long videos and then they started like only promoting shorts and they're actually keeping those short. They won't let you do longer than a minute. And then TikTok was like, yeah, 5 to 15 second content is the bomb. And then now they're like, oh hey, we need everyone to start uploading things longer than a minute. We need long form content. And it's like, why are we doing this? And then Instagram, the freaking photo platforms, like please upload reels. If you upload photos, we're not going to show anyone, but if you upload reels, we might show a couple people. Seriously, Instagram's making me upset right now, man. I know this is getting more into a rant, but like uploading my videos across multiple platforms, Instagram has been the worst, which sucks because they used to be the best for promoting my YouTube channel. Like better than YouTube itself for promoting the YouTube channel. But now they're like, oh, you uploaded 50 reels, we're gonna show that to like 8 people. If you don't like it, suck it. Like that's all I can do. I will say where this camera is, I can't really see what gear I'm in, so I have to keep looking around. Let's go, Ultima! Don't hit me, please. I'm being good boy today. But yeah, apparently Instagram kind of switched over to where if you're not already a really big content creator on there, they just stop promoting you unless you pay them, which is like I get it, it's a good business model, but I hate it because I'm not paying to promote my content. I'm doing this all naturally. I do see a lot of you that are like, oh man, you should get way more followers, subscribers, whatever, like you should blow up. Like, thank you guys, I appreciate it, but I'm not gonna do that as quick as some people because I'm not paying for it. If you like my stuff though, like it, comment, share, do all that fun jazz. Oh, I just realized that camera and this one are on different frame rates, which means it may eventually get out of sync. That's fun. Now I gotta deal with that. I need to do them both on the same frame rate. I feel like I'm looking into your soul, guys. I'm like right in front of this camera. I think they're both on super view though, so it looks a little further away, but I'm like right up on ya. I guess I should hit these rumbly boys. fun. Honestly, the bike absorbs most of that. I really barely feel it other than my helmet, which like shakes up and down. But like really the seat is not bad at all. I'm surprised. Because this bike is lowered and everything, and it takes bumps and shocks like a champ sometimes. Potholes though? No, I feel that. Potholes are like street muggers and they just violently assault me. But these rumbly boy rumble strips, silly goose time! Those are fun. Go, go, Power Rangers! This is the first day I've ridden my bike in several weeks. It's just been cold and rainy and gross, and I have not wanted to be on the bike. Can you blame me though? Partially due to the fact that I have a car that I love to drive, and also that I don't have a bunch of cold weather gear. And by a bunch of, I mean I don't have any cold weather gear. This jacket I'm wearing right now is the most cold weather thing I got. For the bike. Like obviously I own other thick jackets, just they're not bike jackets. They're not bike jackets. Excuses, Danger. You need to get out and ride in 0-degree weather and suck it up. I know, I'm sorry. Oh, he's on the phone. What gear am I in? I don't know. I have to do this with my head. Ooh, almost caught that leaf. That would have been awesome. You guys would have saw that in 2 angles. I feel like if fairies were a real thing, they would live right there. I don't know why. I just get that vibe, you know? It's a vibe. You'd have to be here to understand. You had to be there. Dude, my face itches and I can't reach it. It's really annoying. Stop doing your hair and focus on the road before you run into this bridge. Happens all the time, man. People crash into this stuff. It's so stupid. We meet again, Ultima. Oh man, my right mirror is off again. It's always that one. I haven't adjusted my left mirror since I got the bike, but this right one I have to adjust like every week. I think it's mostly because how I grab it to fold it in when I park it. I like grab the actual mirror, and I haven't learned my lesson yet. I grabbed that one by the stem. Is that what it's called? That thing? Is that a stem? I'm gonna call it the shaft. No, I'm gonna call it the stem. I take that back. But that one I just grabbed by the mirror because I'm stupid, I guess. I wasn't looking at that light. I hope it was green. That's how I deal with railroad crossings. I stand up, and now you guys can see it because of this nifty second GoPro that I've had forever. I used to do my motovlogs strictly on that one, and honestly the quality hadn't changed that much, but now I can do like 4K slow-mo if I wanted. I don't do it, but I could. That's the Hero 5 that's on the front of the bike now, and on my face is the Hero 10. Now they just came out with the Hero 12, but it's got like the same specs, so why? I don't know. Whatever. I have no reason to upgrade. I don't even use the full settings on this thing. The only benefit I would get from it is the increased battery life, but like I'd keep up with my batteries enough that it's really not that big of a deal. Sync clap, just in case it got out. I keep forgetting to downshift because I can't see what gear I'm in. Alright, well, I guess that's all I got for you guys today. Sorry this was a really random and rather absurd video. Hope you enjoyed it nonetheless. If not, I really don't care. You already watched it, so shut up. Smash that like button, write a comment, even if it's like, hey, you're stupid, and I'll like it and respond. And if you really like me, hit that share button, share this video with your friends, repost it, depending on what platform it's on, you know, whatever. It really helps me out, guys. I appreciate it. I'm never gonna be like a really big YouTuber or anything, but getting a bigger audience helps me out a little bit. And I mucho appreciato it. Yeah, I bet you didn't think I was bilingual. Alright, well that's all I got. Peace out, Girl Scouts. Catch you next time. Oh yeah.